If you want to enable NFC and contactless payments on your Android phone, so keep in mind that some devices do not support this feature. So first let's check if your phone has NFC. Open up your settings, find your search tab, and here we gotta make a request with the NFC in its name, right? So as you see, my phone has NFC, it detects it. If your phone doesn't show any result when you're trying to find NFC in your settings, you're gonna check your device's specifications on the manufacturer's website or refer to the user manual. Alright, now if the NFC is available, let's proceed with that. So once again, open up your settings. In your settings, find your connections tab and find your NFC and contactless payments. So to enable it, simply tap on the switch. And now it is enabled. So to use it, you have to install app like Google Pay and follow the set of instructions inside of the app. Well, it's basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing on our channel.